Suffering from acid reflux? Read these tips. Are you in a lot of pain? Does it feel like your chest is on fire? Are you miserable? Are you ready to stop suffering? You have the answers right here. Read on to find out how you can control your acid reflux once and for all, ending your misery for good. If you suffer from acid reflux symptoms at night time, you may need to change the way you sleep. You should be laying on your back, with the upper half of your body propped up by a few pillows. When you lay flat, whether on your back, stomach or side, you are allowing acid to come up through the esophagus. You need to exercise if you have gout, but don't overdo it. Losing weight is a huge factor in controlling acid reflux, so go out for a run, play some soccer or go for a swim. That said, don't push your body too hard or you may find your gout becomes active. Sometimes, there is nothing that can be done to prevent acid reflux disease. This is why you need to learn of what you can do when an attack occurs. Try drinking cold milk or eating some cracker or bread. These remedies help by reducing the amount of acid that comes up through the esophagus. Learn your trigger foods. When you know what foods or beverages cause you acid reflux, you can avoid them to keep your symptoms to a minimum. Some foods that often cause symptoms are foods that are fried, fatty, spicy and carbonated drinks. These are just some examples, and what bothers someone else might not bother you. Take over-the-counter antacids or acid relievers. These are very helpful in relieving acid reflux for a lot of people. If they do not offer you relief, talk to your doctor about a prescription for your reflux. They can also help relieve symptoms and work to heal your esophageal lining. Limit the amount of liquid you consume with all your meals. Too much liquid can cause the stomach to become much too full, which increases your chances of suffering from acid reflux symptoms. You should only allow yourself to have small sips of water in between your bites of food. Do you now know a lot more about acid reflux? Do you understand what causes acid reflux to become worse? Do you see what to do to combat this? Are you prepared to make whatever changes are needed to get better? If the answer to these questions is to the affirmative, then take action today and rid yourself of acid reflux. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.